Good day, friends. I'm here with another omelet, and this one is going to be the eggplant omelet. So we cut the eggplant like I'm showing you into circles of equal size. Make sure they're all the same size so that they cook together well. And I've already done one eggplant, which is ready, and you can see that. What we need to do is to spray some salt over it so that it sweats and gives off the bitter juice that is within the eggplant. So we salt it and wait for 15 to 20 minutes and even maybe more until we see the bubbles coming out. And as you can see here now, after about 20 minutes the bubbles are out. What we need to do is to get a paper towel and absorb the moisture that has come out. And you can see how the sweat is coming off, and that's the bitter juice that is inside the eggplants. We don't want that when we are cooking. So now we turn over the eggplants and do the same for the other side, and spray some salt on the other side as well, and leave it for another 15-20 minutes so that same thing happens, and we get the bitter juice out from the other side as well. Now, as you can see, the sweat is out from the other side as well, and we are going to do the same thing and get the juice out by paper towel. Try to make sure you get most of the salt out of the eggplant by doing so, because we don't want the dish to be too salty. Now we need 4 eggs for this. I've already cracked 3 eggs, and we're going to add another one. As you can see, this is the organic egg from the farms of the British Columbia. I usually encourage everything to be organic because of healthy reasons, and we are going to add some dill weed. You can add between half a tablespoon to 1 tablespoon. Half should be fine for 4 eggs. This is dry dill weed. Now we add a couple of tablespoons of milk. This one is also organic. Now there are some other spices that we need. We add about half a teaspoon of salt. There is a little bit of salt on the eggplant at the moment, so we just add a little bit to the egg. Half a teaspoon of coriander seed. That gives it a good flavor. And half a teaspoon of turmeric. Also half a teaspoon of red pepper to make it spicy. That it's up to you how spicy you want it and how much pepper you add. And if you prefer, you can have black pepper instead of red pepper. Now we mix it with the electric handheld mixer. First we poke the egg yolk and then we mix everything together. And now we are ready to cook. Now we put some oil in one pan and put the eggplants in that one to get it cooked a bit. This is a traditional dish of people living along the coast of Caspian Sea. And it's a healthy food. Now we turn over the eggplants which are a little cooked and brown on one side, to do the same with the other side. We don't want to really cook it too much. As long as it gets brown, it's fine. We don't want to cook it too much to get mushy. Now we add a little bit of vegetable oil. As you know, eggplants take a lot of oil when you want to fry them. Now we spray some oil on the other pan and pour our egg mixture in there. And wait for the egg to get a little solid in the bottom. Now the egg has settled down and it's solid in the bottom. We are going to put the eggplants on top of the egg, and you can shape it any way you like. Just see how many I can fit in there. Okay, now all the eggplants are on top of the egg. We put the cover on and wait for it to swallow up and get ready. And now it's all done. We shake the pan to move the omelette around and then transfer it into the serving dish.